Welcome to Yuma, Arizona. Believe it or not, this is the desert. Called Mittry Lake, just north of Yuma, Arizona, way down southwest corner, not far from Mexico and California. And this lake, I've been camping here for a couple of days. It's an oasis on the desert, and it's a bright sunny day in Arizona. It'll probably be 70 today. It was yesterday. It's awesome here. I love it. I don't ever want to leave. Right over there though is the Yuma Proving Ground, the Army training ground, and there's been some booms in the morning. It sounds like thunder, setting off ordnance bombs, planes flying overhead every once in a while, helicopter, but it's not at all disruptive. I think it's kind of cool, really. It's so quiet and peaceful otherwise. This is really a nice place here. I love it. But the Colorado River starts way up north. I camped on a part of it in Nevada last year, and it's been channeled, the Hoover Dam, all that, you know, to make water down here. And it comes down here, comes over this way. It's obviously really low right now, but it used to come through here. This was built over 100 years ago. It's just one channel of the hundreds that make up this project. Literally hundreds of these channels. Another channel right here. And it channels off here. And again, there's 200 or 300 of these channels all over here, or 200 or 300 miles of these channels all over this area. And because of that, you can grow cauliflower in winter. It's January, and that's cauliflower. There's broccoli out there. I saw that earlier. And this goes on for miles. Look at this up on a map, Yuma, Arizona. It's so green, lush fields all over the place down here. And that's what it's from. They were able to channel water into the desert, create that oasis of a lake, and create a town. Mexico is just down that way. California is just down that way. Where I come from, you cannot grow crops in January. And that's what's happening here. Look at all the little shells. All over here. This is a camping spot. I could be right here if I wanted to. This is a camping spot right here on the free land. Yuma's off that way about a half an hour. California's right over there. Mexico just down south. But yeah, I could be camping here if I wanted to, but I don't have a van. Wind is a problem for me, and it gets windy here. Got to do it. you.